Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the script repository in Zoho Assist, a central library where you can store and manage scripts ready to run during any remote session. Let's jump in. The script repository is your one-stop hub for all your scripts. Admins can organize them by category and department, so technicians always have the right scripts at hand. To add scripts, you'll need either super admin, admin, or technician with managed scripts access. Got that? Great. Let's move on. Log into your Zoho Assist account and look at the top menu bar. Click on the Files icon, then navigate to Script Repository in the left panel. This is your home base for everything script related. Here, click the Add Script button to get started. As you add your script, you'll be prompted to enter a script name and description. Choosing a category is next. This step helps in organizing your script. Select from existing categories or go ahead and create a new one. Don't forget to press Enter or click the tick icon to create the category. Next, assign your script to the relevant department using the Department drop-down menu. Click Apply to confirm this step. Remember, getting this right ensures that the right technicians have access when they need it. Now it's time to upload your actual script file. Click in the Upload area to browse your files or simply drag and drop it in. Zoho Assist supports .ps1, .sh, .bat, .cmd, and .vbs files, so make sure your script is in one of these formats. After that, click Add Script, and just like that, your script's now part of your repository. Managing scripts is super straightforward. Next to any script, click the three-dot menu to Edit, where you can update the script details anytime. Download to save a local copy to your device, and delete to remove scripts you no longer need. Everything you need right at your fingertips. Finding a specific script couldn't be easier. Use the search bar at the top right and begin typing. The list updates in real time to make locating your script a breeze. To filter through scripts, click the filter icon. This allows you to narrow your list by script type, departments, or categories. It's all about getting you to the right script right away. Customize your view with the column chooser icon. Decide which columns you wish to see in the list view, like name, category, and department. Once you're happy with your layout, save your preferences. Finally, let's talk about executing scripts during a remote session. Provided you have the execute script permission, you can run scripts directly from the repository on a remote device. During an active remote session, if you have execute script permissions, here's what to do. Click Tools in the left panel. Select Execute Script. A dialog box will appear showing all available scripts specific to your OS. Find the one you need and click Execute. Need to run a script that isn't in the repository yet? No problem. Click the Upload icon to upload one on the fly and execute it immediately. And that's everything you need to know about the script repository in Zoho Assist. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.